Hello everyone, so today let's look on how to make some banana strawberry organic pancakes. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing and don't forget to press the notification bell for any other new recipes. So for this recipe I had 2 organic eggs, 1/4 cup of plant-based melted butter, 1 cup organic milk, 2 tablespoons organic mayonnaise, half teaspoon of organic vanilla extract. I mix it very well and then added 1 cup of organic pancake mix. I continue mixing it and then greased my pan and make my pancakes. I usually cover my pancakes and they come out very nice. Look at that, just look how it comes, very nice. And then I repeat the process until everything was done. Here we go. Here I was making my last one. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. So for the toppings, I use organic yogurt, banana, strawberries, blueberries, and raw honey. So I started with 2 scoops of organic yogurt and then some bananas and strawberries and some blueberries. Lastly, I sprinkle some raw honey. This was so delicious. Thank you for choosing to watch my videos. I hope you enjoyed and you wanna try make this recipe at your home and you won't regret. This was so delicious, very yummy. Look at that. Oh my god, just look at that. Bye bye for now.